What does it mean for us to design end-to-end solutions? It means following a product and its sustainable impact through every stage, acting as your single point of contact. From R&D to mass production to final packaging, we're with you every step of the way. Our Soluble Unit Dose production exemplifies this approach. We're eager to make it clear and dive into the details. Are you ready? Step 1. Product concept. In every innovation journey, there's always a day one. We provide upstream services for customer research, testing, and prototyping to support product development from inception to realization. Our prototyping service excels at creating complete product designs, ensuring functionality, safety, and effectiveness through testing activities. Step 2. Product development. Our expertise in the automated production of consumer goods positions us as the partner of choice for global industry leaders. Meet S15, our cutting-edge platform for manufacturing detergent capsules. It features an innovative robotic detergent dosing system and vision-based quality control that reduces waste and maintains high production speeds. It's flexible, handling different liquids, product sizes, shapes, and compartments. It's easy to operate, placing all processes at the operator level. It requires only one operator and allows for quick fluid and equipment changeovers. It's smart, thanks to digital data acquisitions that allows comprehensive and highly detailed monitoring. In short, it's our most advanced response to the need for sustainable manufacturing of soluble unit dose products. Step 3. Packaging machine solution. When you think of a pact between technology and the planet, think of Greenpackt. This patented machine is our flagship solution for the automated production of eco-friendly packaging for single-use detergent capsules. Made entirely from recycled cardboard, Greenpackt packaging reduces CO2 emissions by approximately 50% compared to plastic alternatives. Greenpackt is designed to adapt to different shapes and sizes of packaging, with a production rate of up to 100 cycles per minute and efficiency about 95%. Each package is 100% recyclable. It also has a certified child-resistant opening system that meets the stringent AISE standards, ensuring maximum safety for the whole family. Greenpackt embodies a total commitment to reducing environmental impact by delivering sustainability and safety in every box. We've taken you on a journey through our capabilities to give you a glimpse of the future we are building. Are you ready to make a difference with us?